Hey, what's up everybody? This is your boy Ray Mack from Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Today we're gonna do something easy. We're gonna do barbecued baked chicken. And this is gonna be tender, juicy, and very flavorful. Let's jump right into it. All right, so right here, I got some chicken thighs that I already went and washed and I patted dry with a paper towel. So what we're gonna do now is just gonna go ahead and get ready to season this baby up. And the reason why I need you to go ahead and try to get as much moisture off you can, because we want the seasonings to stick to this here chicken as we cook it, okay? And trust and believe me, if you follow the steps in the process, it's gonna be good. All right, so right now what I'm gonna end up doing, I'm gonna take some of this here olive oil and I just want to go ahead and just drizzle up this here chicken with the olive oil. And after I drizzle up some olive oil on this, I want to go ahead and season this baby up. And this is what we're going to use to season it up real good, y'all. I got some smoked paprika. And I'm going to use some garlic powder. And some onion powder. We got some black pepper. And we also going to use some salt for this. And I got some of this here chili-o for the chili powder flavor. And just for a little sparkle, I'm going to use some parsley flakes. Now what I want to do is just basically just rub this on top of the meat. And then I'm going to flip this over to the skin side and repeat the process. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna season this up on the skin side, and then from there, I'll be right back. Now, as you can see, I went and seasoned the top of the skin. All right, this is definitely gonna be some flavorful chicken. So what you could do for easy cleanup, you could put some parchment paper on your sheet pan, or you could take you some aluminum foil to put on your sheet pan. This will be easy cleanup for you as you go through in the process. Now, what I'm already doing at this point, I got my stove, my oven set at 400 degrees. I just want to slide this chicken in for about 25 minutes, just so that some of the fat can render and so that the skin can crisp up. After that, we're gonna go ahead and work on some barbecue sauce to put on top of this chicken so we can have some of the best barbecue chicken that your mouth has been put on. Let's go, y'all. All right, so now in the meantime, let's go ahead and make us some of that glaze for the barbecue chicken, all right? So I'm gonna use some of my favorite barbecue sauce, and that is that honey chipotle. I love some honey chipotle, and this is by Sweet Baby Ray's. Y'all to give this a try, all right? So I'm just gonna squirt me some right on up in here into this bowl. And then for some sweetness, what I wanna do, I wanna take some of this here honey, okay? I just wanna add some honey to for some sweetness. And I'm I'm not using measurements as I go with this here recipe. I'm just basically eyeballing everything. Now you could definitely eyeball this as well and you won't have a problem, trust and believe me. So for depth, for more depthness into this here glaze, I'm gonna use some of this here Worcestershire sauce, this W sauce. And I'm just gonna toss in a few sprigs of this here. And now what I'm gonna end up doing, just gonna take it and mix everything together. So you don't have to add a whole lot of ingredients to this here, because all we want to do is just make this a nice glaze to coat over our barbecue chicken. Now since we got our glaze ready to go, and that's about it, y'all. I'm telling you right now, this oven baked barbecue chicken is definitely going to be a winner in your household. You need to give it a try. Don't go nowhere, just stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so right here we got our barbecue chicken. Well, it's not barbecue yet. I already let it cook for about 25 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take our barbecue glaze and we're gonna glaze up each piece, making sure that they can get a nice little coating of this here barbecue. And I'm telling you right now, this chicken is looking good, y'all. It's looking fantastic. The skin is looking good. And I just want to go ahead and add some of this here barbecue sauce on each and every piece, making sure that we lather this baby up. Tell me this don't look good already. Getting them, coating it up real good. Now after I coat up these pieces of chicken, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these back to the oven for another additional 25 minutes. Now I know y'all can hear this pot over here. I got some goodness in that pot, and that's another video coming, but I'm definitely going to plate it up with this here chicken when this chicken is done. All right, so we got this pretty much lathered up. So what I want to do now is just add this back to the oven and let it cook for additional 25 minutes, and then we'll go from there. Don't go nowhere. Okay, family, our barbecue chicken is now done. What I ended up doing, I let this sit up under the broiler on high heat for at least around about 2 to 4 minutes. Now, if you do put it up under the broiler, whatever you do, don't walk away, okay? Because that heat can get so extreme, you might burn your chicken or whatever the case may be. So now what I want to do is I want to take some of this glaze and just drape it right on top of my thighs. Give it a nice little finishing glaze on this. It looks like it came off the grill, y'all. And that smell that's permeating through the house right now is unreal. Unreal. I'm telling you, it smells so good. That's all I want to do is finish this up with some glaze. Now let me plate this up for you real quick. All right, YouTube family, this is the final result of our easy oven baked barbecue chicken. I'm telling you right now, you got to try this here recipe, and it smells so good up in this here kitchen. All right, if you try this recipe, do me a favor, go ahead and take a picture of this here recipe. Let me know in the comment section if you tried this recipe. I would love to know if you tried and how and if you like it. All right, comment, subscribe to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. I really do appreciate you guys. Now before you leave, I got another recipe that I would like for you guys to try with this here easy baked barbecue chicken. I got some southern cabbage and potatoes. Southern cabbage and potatoes. If you'd like to see this recipe, comment in the comment section. Show me the southern cabbage and potato recipe, and definitely this pairs well with this here barbecued chicken. So thank you so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Ray Mack is getting down in the kitchen. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.